Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through troubleshooting steps if voice access is not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with voice access on your Windows 11 computer, here are a few solutions to try. First, begin by searching for voice access in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to launch the application with elevated privileges. If running voice access as an administrator does not resolve the problem, proceed to the next step. Open the Windows search bar once more and type Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator from the search results to open the command prompt with administrative rights. In the command prompt window, carefully type the following command: sfc/scannow. After typing the command, press Enter to initiate a system file check scan. This scan will look for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files that might be affecting voice access functionality. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.